Hello, guys. So we are getting set up here. I'm moving around with my computer right now, and here is my setup. Now, currently, as you can see, I have 6 set up. Now, why 6? Well, I need to get a couple more. That's why. However, look what I'm doing. On the ground, I put a little piece of paper with a piece of tape on it, and that's where my pin goes. When you look at a bowling alley and you look at the bowling pins, it starts with 1 in front, then we have 2, then 3, and then in the back, there are 4. So 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 10. So we have them set up like that. That way, if a ball knocks them over, I know exactly where to put them when I set them back up. Now, like I said, this is a piece of tissue paper, and tape, and it's going to come off the ground super duper easy. So I'm not too worried about it. So I'm going to set up my 6 right now. When we get bowling full time, I'll have my 10 ready. Don't you worry. But I'm just giving you an intro right now. Now, what else do we have? We have a bowling lane. I have a line set up on the ground, so we can see a line and bowling, line, bowling, and that way we are ready to get going. So I'm going to get you guys set up right there, go over some of the ideas of how we are going to bowl. Now, if you watch the warm-up video, we talked about 4 steps. Now, 4 steps was when I had the ball in my hand, I pushed it out. And as I pushed that ball out, my weak foot went forward. So if I write my name with my right hand, if I pretend there's a piece of paper in front of me and I start writing my name, that's my strong hand. That's the hand the ball's in. My weak leg is the one that goes forward first. So I push that ball forward first at the same time as this leg goes forward. So I'm ready to go. I push and I step. That's 1, 2, 3. And as I let go of the ball right here by the side of my body, not out wide, not up here, by the side. So it's once more time. 1, 2, 3, and I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go. And this back foot here, my right foot, slides behind. It slides behind. So if I'm coming at you, it's 1, 2, 3. See that slide? And that's at the same time. Same time. So let's get some practice on that. Let's go all the way back to the wall. And we'll do it twice. So we push out. 1, 2, 3, slide. Stand back up. Push out. 1. I slid first. I gotta do it again because we're doing a 4-step. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if we're doing a 2-step, it's that what you saw me just do. It's that step, slide. So it's that, just like that. So that's kind of a little shorter, like Mr. Briggs up here. He doesn't have a lot of room to go backing up, so he might do that simple little step, slide over there. So let's work on, one more time, that 4-step. That's what I really want us to practice today. Hand on the ball, weak foot ready to go. Ball being pushed out at the same time as 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how that leg is sliding behind. It's sliding behind. It's not that. It's not this. It's not this. It's not this. It's not that. Let's do it 2 more times, and then we'll get ready to go. So 1, 2, 3, slide. Sit up one more time. Push out at the same time that foot goes forward. Left, right, left, slide. Now remember, if you're left-handed, it's just the opposite. The ball's left hand. Right leg is there, and it's right, left, right, slide. Just like that. So 4 steps. Your weak foot goes first. So for my right-handers, left, slide. Left-handers, right, slide. Go ahead and keep practicing that. As you can see, I have my 6 set up right now. That's fine. I'm going to get a little practice in right now. I'm going to try it out. So it's that push left, right, left, and I slide it over there. I got 2. I pick up my ball, and if you can see, those aren't in the way, so I really don't have to move them. Because in bowling, we get 2 chances to bowl, to knock them all over. First time we bowl, we knock them all over the very first time. That's called a strike. Second time we bowl, and we knock over all of them, that's called a spare. Now, all the other times we bowl, we just have to count how many we knocked over. So we're going to go over that in our activity day. So also in our activity, you're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil. I know you got those. So what's next? Well, Mr. Briggs has got to change and get this room set up to be looking awesome. What do you need to do? You need to make sure you got a ball. You need to make sure you got your 6 or 10, doesn't matter, toilet paper rolls. I put little marks on the ground. If you're able to put little marks on the ground, perfect. If not, don't worry about it. They're just set up, spread out in a 1, 2, 3, 4 fashion, or a 1, 2, 3 in a triangle. And then we have our starting line that's down here. This line right here is about 12 feet away. What does that look like? That's about Mr. Briggs' 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm there. Maybe if you guys are doing it, it's 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. But we're going to make sure we stand behind the line when we bowl the entire time. So remember, squishy ball, socks. I got a pair of socks right there. I'm going to use them when we get going. So get set up, get your line set up, get your toilet paper rolls set up, get your ball, piece of paper, pencil. Wonderful. I'll see you guys in just a second. And when I do, this room is going to be glowing and awesome. What do you guys got to do? Hello, guys. What's up? What do you need right now? Well, as you can see, I'm set up. I'm ready to go for my bowling. We're going to have a blast. However, we got to make our scorecards real fast. I'm going to show you something here that is pretty easy to do. I'm going to kind of make it so you guys can see it nice and easy. This is Mr. Briggs. This is my scorecard. I'm going to have 2 spots on it. As you can see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's how many rounds of bowling we got to do. And then I got Mr. B, and this is going to be my score. So I'm going to add up my score. In bowling, how many chances do you get to knock down all the pins? You get 2. So if my first bowl I get 5, I would easily just put a 5 right there. Let's see if you guys can see that. A 5 right there. Now, if my next time I bowl, I get a 4. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So I put a 9 right there. Then my next time, if I got all of them, if I got a strike, that's 10 pins. 10 plus 0 equals 10. So there is an official, awesome, really cool way of doing bowling score, but that's really hard. And I don't expect you guys to know that because we haven't learned it, and we're not going to be doing that today. So we're just going to add up how many pins we can knock over in our 10 frames. So you're going to bowl right along with me. Now, as you can see, I have my bowling set up down there. Now, if you look closely right there, that's a water bottle. I don't have 10 of my toilet paper rolls. So I'm using water bottle as well. If you have 10 used water bottles, that's going to work perfect. Just 10 objects that can be knocked over. Now, as you can see, I have my 10 objects down there. I have my line right there where I'm going to stand behind a bowl. And if you're paying attention, in our last video, we talked about our push, step, 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 and let go of the ball. So we're going to practice our bowling as well. So right now, I'm pushing pause to get myself set up. I want you guys also to push pause. This is your time to practice, all right? You don't get any practices with Mr. Briggs. When I get back on the screen, it's you versus me, all right? We're going to work together on all of our scoring, so don't you worry about that. But what do you need? You make sure you have an area, a piece of paper made so you can add up your scores. 1 through 10, add up your scores. I'll explain all of that once we get going each frame. So make sure you remember how many you knocked over. If you knock over 10 every time, you're going to be the best. If you knock over 3, then 4, we're going to work together on all of our scoring. So get that going. You guys are awesome. I'm going to get set up. I'll see you in just a second. Push pause, practice, because when I get back, we on. Let's go. 4th grade, I'm ready to go. What do you need? I got my softball I'm going to use. I got my bowling ball I'm going to use. It's squishy. Got my scorecard. I'm going to walk you guys through all the scoring, so don't worry about it. Make sure you got that ready to go. I got my pen ready to go. My Jingle Bell Lanes is set up. I'm going to be bowling just like you. Don't even worry about it. All right? I'm going to talk you through it all. We're going to go through it. It's going to be perfect. Let's see how it goes. Oh, Mr. Briggs is ready. I'm going to start off with squishy ball. First frame, bowling, 4th grade. Let's roll. All right, I got 2. So 2 knocked down, or 2 left, so 8 points. So, as you can see here, I'm just writing down my 8 plus, let's see how I'm going to get my second chance here. Oh, I only got 1 knocked over. So 8 plus 1 is 9, and I just set everything back up. Grab a ball, go back to my scorecard. I knocked down 1. So what we're doing is just that. 8 plus 1, I put a 9 circle, and now I'm on to 2. Oh, I got my ball. Where are we at here? That guy's off, so 7 left, or 7 knocked over. I'm messing this up, 4th grade. So I write down my 7 on my scorecard, and now I got my second chance to knock them over. Yeah, got them all. Got my 10 points. Exactly what I want. Set them back up. Grab my ball. Come on back. And here we go. 3. Now, as you can see with my scorecard now, 7 plus 3 is 10. You ready to go? 3rd frame. Grab my ball. Get those guys out of there. So I got 2 left. Come back to my scorecard. As you can see, I'm not running here. Got my 8. Second chance. Oh, no, I left it open. Well, that's a shame. Let me set it all back up for you. Get my ball. I got 8 plus 1 is 9. Put my circle down. That looks just like that. So now we keep going. I'm going with my 4th frame. Let's see how it goes. Ooh. Those guys out of there. I got 2. So 8 knocked over. That's what we want to see. That's a good start. And now I got to get those last 2. Nothing. That's not very good. Well, I think you guys can do that math, 4th grade. 8 plus 0 is a big fat 0. Wrong. It's 8. You sillies. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 times 0, 0. So I got it. 9, 10, 9, 8. So I've left some pins open. So now I'm going to switch from my squishy ball to my sock ball. Same sort of thing. Like I said, they all work. So now it's my 5th frame. First try, sock ball. Oh! Yeah, remember, if you get a strike, you do the strike dance. Pick it up there, Frosty the Snowman. Hooking us up with a nice strike right there. That's fantastic. Hit the last pin. Now, if you did not get a strike, go ahead and bowl your 2nd frame right now. Keep bowling it. I'm going to wait for you. I got my 10 written down. So I'll wait for you. Finish that 2nd frame off. We're going to wait about another 10 seconds until we're ready. Then we're going to go to our 6th frame. And here we go. Frame 6. I'm using my sock ball again. First try. Let's go. Oh! Pick it up, Frosty. Another strike. Frosty is helping me out right now. Good little turn so far. Go ahead and bowl your second frame right now. If you did not, if you got a strike like Mr. Briggs, record that score. We'll wait another about 15 seconds for you to bowl and clean it up. Exactly what we want to see. Get some strikes in there. Try to up that score just a little bit. Just a little bit. Get that score up there. All right. We're on the 7th frame now. 7th frame. First chance. I'm using my softball again. Let's go. Oh, I missed some there. Let's see what I got. All right, I got 5 over. Not a great turn. I really got to aim for that center there. I went to the side. Put my 5 down. Second chance. Oh, there we go. Got them all down on that second turn. That's what you want to see. So 5 and 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Record that score. 8th try. 8th frame. Softball again. Oh my goodness, I left one. I left the top one. It's just staring at me. 9. All right. Let's see what I can do on my second chance. Boom, another 10. Mr. Briggs is going to get his numbers up. So let me come on back to my scorecard. Fill that out. So as you can see, 10, 10, 10, 10. 2 frames left. On the 10th frame, I'm going to talk you through it. Don't worry about it. Right now, we're still on the 9th frame. First try. All right. Looks like I got. Yeah. That's right. So I got 6. 6 knocked over. 4 left staring at me. Let's see if I can knock those guys out. All down the center here. Oh, mamma mia! I left it open. Wide open. Wide open, and I missed it. So, got to put a big fat 0 down there. All right. We are on the 10th frame. What does that mean? You get your normal 2 shots. Try to get them all down in your 2 shots. However, if you can get them all down in your 2 shots, you get to the 3rd frame 1 shot. So you potentially have 3 chances here. Now, if you get a strike your first bowl, you still get your 2 chances. So your first 2 chances, you need them all down. Let's do it. So my turn. Use my softball. 10th frame, first bowl. Yeah, Frosty, pick it up there. Strike Rooney. Set him up. All right. Now, if you did not get a strike, you're going to bowl your 2nd frame. If you did get a strike, put down a 10, like I am, or put down your score, and now we get our 2nd and 3rd chances. Since I got them all down on the first try, I still get 2 chances to knock them over. If I get another strike, then I get another chance with them all off. So, 2nd frame. Oh, Frosty, pick it up again. Woo! Trying to finish strong, Frosty. Thanks, buddy. So I put down another 10, and this is our last one. If you did not knock them all over, then you are done. Start adding up your score. I'm going to add up my score in just a second with you. Last one, if you're there. And I got 7. So 7 knocked over. Now, my friends, is when you add things up. So I'm going to add up right here with you. Let me tell you. Kindergarten, 100. 1st grade, 101. 2nd grade, 90. 3rd grade, 103. So let's see how I'm doing with you guys. So Mr. Briggs is rocking the 109. 109. And that is my final score for the unlucky. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 120 points total. And I left open 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 109 is my final score. Great job. What do you need to do now? Go to your exit slip. First name, last name, teacher, grade level. Record your score. Dojo points. Simple. We have our brain health video right below this. Go to your brain health video. More dojo points. 4th grade. 2020 was wild and crazy. You were at school, then you weren't at school, then you went to school, then they kicked you out of school. I want to be back with you guys. So 4th grade, stay strong, get out there, be active over the holiday break, go for walks, bike rides, do your dream box, be nice to your teachers, send them love. See you guys soon. 4th grade, bye 2020.